Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen, bringing you another smoothie. This one is from Sarah Kim again, from the Philippines. It's the organic coconut water smoothie. And for today's recipe from Sarah Kim, we're going to need organic coconut water, 15 ounces. We're going to need condensed milk, a half a cup. And we're going to need a cup of organic coconut chunks. Everything today is organic, and we're going to need the measuring cups of a cup, and we're going to need the measuring cup of a half a cup. I'm going to leave all the items in the description, what you need, and you can just reference back. And then when we get everything together, we're going to just throw it in this blender, and we're going to hit smoothie, and then we'll be off. But be back to put the ingredients in the blender. God bless. Alright, so we're back. We're going to take the coconut water, and we're going to pour in half of this container, like 15 ounces. This is a 33 ounce one, so we poured in half of that. We're going to throw in a cup of the chunk coconut, and we're going to throw in a half a cup of organic condensed milk. So we're just going to put the top on, and then we're going to go ahead and blend this. Alright, so we're going to hit smoothie. Let it go for a minute or two. And there you have it. You have the organic coconut milk, coconut water smoothie with condensed milk. We're just going to pour it, and it'll be a nice refreshing summer drink you can enjoy anytime. Alright, so we're back, folks. I just got to make sure I don't spill this. So you can see the texture and creaminess. Condensed milk adds a lot to that. And this will make a really good summer drink. So we're just going to put the straw in, and that's it. That tastes good. You can taste the chunky pineapple in there. I mean, not pineapple, I mean coconut. So there you have it. We have the coconut smoothie. I want to thank Sarah Kim from the Philippines. She's really good. She helps me with my channel and smoothies. I'll be bringing a separate channel soon with smoothies. Her and I, a combo. Thanks for visiting my channel. Can you please subscribe? Can you hit the bell so I can bring you 2 to 5 updates a week? And thanks for visiting Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. God bless.